Hey there, it's Stephen Pegg from Loves to Travel. Thanks for checking out our videos. Always appreciate when you watch what we do as we check in to the Hilton PARC SOLEIL. Am I get that right?
That is correct. It is part of the Hilton Grand Vacations Club, which is a
Mm-hmm.
timeshare, but you can pay cash here too, or Hilton Honors points on the Hilton.com website.
We've stayed here before, but it's been 10 years.
It's been quite a few years.
Quite a few years. What we've got tonight is a studio. This is just a standard studio lockout. So we're going to show you what the studio is here. So let's take a look. And we'll start in the back like we always do. Is that a queen size or a king size?
That is a king size bed. The one thing I did notice, there's no carpeting here.
Nope.
So it's laminate flooring.
And you can hear the kind of echo effect.
Yeah. It's been updated because I think the last time we were here, like I said, has been many, many years. And the one thing you did love was the view out the window.
Oh, this has got a great view out the window. There's no balcony. I will tell you that right now. There's no balcony.
One of the downfalls of the studio at PARC SOLEIL, there is no balcony. In the studios, in the one bedroom there is. But if you actually look outside, we do have a great view of part of Orlando. You can see the eye down there, and you can see part of Seaworld as we're looking out.
And Seaworld does do a fireworks show at night. Not a grand one like they do at Disney, but it's a fire, and you should be able to see it from here.
Right. So,
and you can also see some of the other things, again, along International Drive, and like the Eye of Orlando's right there. And we got a great view of the pool, too.
Right. So the one thing I do like about this, it's a pretty good sized room. There are his and her nightstands.
Yep. I wonder if what's in the nightstands. Nothing on this one. Nothing on this one. I bet you there's a Bible in the other one. There's always a Bible. I wonder if they have a Bible here. Hang on a second. Wow, they might not have it. No, no Bible. No Bible.
Now, one thing I did notice, even though it's a king size bed, they don't give you king size pillows. Those are queen size pillows.
Right.
Which is unusual for most king size beds.
And it looks like...
Is it just a sheet, and it's not a real comforter?
Not a real comforter.
So it's just basically a blanket between a couple of sheets.
Yep. And then you've got the table on the side there. It seats two, but again, you're in a studio apartment, so how big does it got to be? And some artwork on the wall. Not a lot of artwork in here. There's that one, and then there's the one over the bed. That's pretty much it. You have a chest of drawers here, 6 drawers to be able to put things in. TV, it could be a little bit bigger, but it's bigger than a couple of the ones we've already seen. There's nothing in any of these drawers, I'll guarantee. And they are soft close. So you've got that, and they still have DVD players, honey.
In fact, they gave us a DVD card, which is really unusual when we checked in.
They still have a DVD card here.
Right.
Interesting. Trash cans right there.
So this is part of a lockout that connects to a 1-bedroom.
So you can make this into a 2-bedroom by doing the lockout with a 1-bedroom, and this one it becomes a 2-bedroom if you need that much space.
So we have a closet here also.
There is hangers, there's a luggage rack, there's a safe. They do give you an ironing board and an iron. They give you an extra blanket too, which is kind of cool in case you need it. I just noticed that. So you've got those here as well.
And Steve to take off his sweatshirt. And then there is what we call the housekeeping closet. They usually have stuff locked in there.
Yeah. Can't get in there at all.
There is crown molding around the top. So if you actually do take a look at it. And then also there is a ceiling fan in this room. Steve's going to see if we can turn it on.
Get it going here.
There we go.
Yep.
Now some rooms are going away. Some rooms are getting rid of the ceiling fan. This one has it. I know we like sleeping with the ceiling fan because just like
a little air movement in the bedroom. Right. The thing that I don't like is I'd rather have a light, some kind of a light in the ceiling fan as well, to give you a little bit more light in the room other than just the ones on the end tables.
So we'll go, and here is what we call a small kitchenette.
A very small kitchenette.
But it has a lot of storage space. I'm amazed at how much storage space there is. There's shelves.
It has what you need. It has shelves. It's got a mini fridge, which I believe has a freezer section.
Right. I was pretty amazed when I opened it up because we were given a couple waters. It has actually a baby freezer, which is unusual for
So if you buy those Mickey bars, you've got a place to put them. See in here, it's actually real silverware.
Ooh.
Service for, well, 2 knives.
2. It should be 2.
For the most part. Toaster, coffee. They do give you coffee. Lighthouse coffee. Coffee maker, it's a Cuisinart. Microwave, it's a smaller microwave, but it'll work. Oh, what's up here? Probably nothing. Oh, what is this?
Oh, dish soap.
Dish soap. Why is it all the way up there?
So that must be an extra dish soap.
Extra dish soap is all the way up there. You know, nobody, you'd never have been able to see that.
No, I would have not. And they actually give you real silverware, real plates, real cups.
So you've got that there. Paper towels. Ow! Ouch.
Careful.
Just wrecked my elbow. There you go, your dish towels underneath. Of course, fire extinguisher. Laundry detergent they give you. Extra paper towels. They got a spongy. Fire extinguisher, trash can. There's no recycling can here, I noticed.
And then more shelves on the side. And then when you enter behind the door, there is artwork.
That is one of 3 pieces of artwork in this whole, well, and not including the bathroom, but did you see right here?
Where?
You missed your full-length mirror.
Oh, did I miss that?
You
The full-length mirror?
full-length mirror, yeah.
Oh, right there.
So I like the bathroom. I like what they've done with the bathroom on the remodel. It's only a single sink. It's not a double sink, but I do like what they've done on the bathroom.
Yeah, look at the lighter mirror. Huge lighter mirror.
I really, and I've said this in other videos, I love backlit mirrors. So towels, washcloths, extra toilet paper, extra Kleenex, pump, which is weird for...
That's a body lotion pump.
Body lotion pump. They do have, what was I looking at? They do have soap, actually bar soap, more towels, a little bit more artwork in here. Power flush toilets.
Oh, you already tested that, I see.
Yeah, power flush.
There is more artwork very quickly. Look at the shower. This is not any ordinary shower.
It's not a bad shower. I mean, it really isn't. I do like this shower. It's not, it's tall enough, just tall enough, but it's got handheld as well.
So it has a diverter to either do both or adjust one.
And it's like all the other showers and places, they've gone to the pumps for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
And there is plenty of room for you to move around in there.
Yes, it's actually quite big. I do like this. So thanks for checking out this video. We do appreciate you watching it. It's the Hilton Grand Vacations PARC SOLEIL in Orlando. If you're wondering where it's at, it's just off Daryl Carter Parkway, which is right around the corner from International Drive. So it's real easy to get to. There's only 2 buildings here. It's not a big resort, so you're not going to have a lot of people that are going to bust into the pool and things like that. But we do appreciate you checking out. This is the studio, but there is one, and again, with the lockouts, 2-bedroom apartments, kind of like rooms that you can get here at the Hilton Grand Vacations. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you checking it out. Haven't hit that subscribe button below, love for you to do so. Bell notification button too notifies you when our next video goes up. Please hit the like button, especially if you really, really do like the room, because we do. Thanks for watching and have a magical day.